Hello gang, George and Lynn here, and we are off on another adventure, and you'll be seeing shortly where we're going. Today, Wednesday, October 19th, 2022, and we're on what they call the mountain road, but we'll be seeing up ahead here and give you a clue as to where we're going. So stand by. Okay, we're coming upon our exit here, and there was a little clue there as to where we're going. We're going to turn right here, and I won't bore you with a lot of driving. I'll just show you what it looks like. We get in a little clearing up here. It's a fall day. It's a bit overcast and windy, but still, we have a small window to see the colorful trees. And what we're going to be doing is driving up the mountain there. You see the mountain in the distance. Zoom in a little bit there. Through this stop sign here, we'll have a better view of things, I'm sure. Here we go. There's like a little knob up there, and that's where we're headed. This is what it looks like going up the mountain. It's the right time of year to be doing this. No doubt about it. We made it to the parking area. There's a few cars here. Not a lot. This is what it looks like here. Do a 360. And here's the entrance to the trail we want. There's Lynn starting up the trail. We're gonna go over here, just check out the signage, and then I'll turn the camera off until we get further up there to the overlooks. You can see warnings. Possession of paint strictly prohibited. Well, I think we may find that some are not abiding by that rule and regulation. But I won't bore you with the whole hike up to it. But this is what it looks like, and it's very nice. Okay, stay tuned. Well, we're a few minutes into the trail here, and you can see it's not a smooth walk. There's a lot of jagged rocks embedded in the ground here. It's not an easy walk, but I'm gonna keep with it. Over there to our left, we have quite a few boulders, and I see up ahead here we also have quite a few boulders. See where that takes us. Now this section here has us what some would call scrambling over the rocks. Not a clear pathway, but we'll make it. Okay gang, we're approaching the apex of the mountain, getting to the top, and you see it gets a little more challenging, I'm gonna say here. But we just saw a few others coming down, and they said it's definitely worth the climb. The view is worth the climb. So we're gonna push on. We're approaching the top now, and you can see there's some fellow hikers up there. Okay, we'll soon be there. Okay, this was the scrambling part of things, and by far the worst for walking. But look what we have here. This is the view that we've come up here for. Hey Lynn, made it. And I believe this view is looking southward, south down toward the Lehigh Valley, Allentown area. Spectacular.
That's always the case. If you look at some of the numbers, I've never seen.
Hi, so Lynn of Retiree Escapades with George and Lynn, and here's another pan from the top of Bake Oven Knob, and the view is spectacular. It is worth the climb, but I'm quite confident that this will be the last time I'll be making the climb. George might feel differently, but it seems like it gets a little rougher every year. But anyway, it is worth the view. It is gorgeous. And it's an overcast day, but the trees are just beautiful. So we're just going to take it all in for a while. There was very heavy graffiti here because there always seems to be those people that need to do that type of thing. My personal theory on that is that they need to make ugly out of beautiful, because maybe they feel ugly about themselves. But thankfully, it looks like there was a lot of effort made to clean it up. So it's looking good. And I hope y'all are enjoying this beautiful autumn day. And we'll catch you later.
Okay, we spent a nice amount of time up here, took it all in. Lynn's got her stick, and we're gonna follow a different route on the way down, which could be a little more friendly to us older hikers. Now there's a sign right up there, yellow and red sign, a keystone shaped sign, and we're gonna head over to that and head on down the mountain. Okay gang, here's a view from it's looking north. The other one was south, and here's a view looking north. See, there's a lot more growth here. It's a bit limited. But one notable thing, if you've seen previous videos on the Bake Oven Knob, the graffiti. Someone took a lot of time and effort to remove a lot of the horrific graffiti that was on all of these rocks. Not all of them, but many of them. And it's a real nice thing they did. It makes it so much better. This is what it looks like here. The path is just over here, and we're gonna head to it right now. Well, here we have evidence of something had gone on here, because it looks like a foundation, or definitely somebody was mortaring, putting rocks together there with mortar or cement. And here we have some steel in concrete, the way it looks. So I'm not sure what where the origin of the name Bake Oven Knob came to. We didn't sit down and Google it yet, but perhaps you'd want to do that if you're interested enough in it. And here's a path. We're going to head on down this path. We like to look backwards as to where we've just been. And you can see those markings on the tree spray painted on. I believe this is part of the Appalachian Trail too. So there is a way to follow the path so you don't get lost. Okay, gang, that's going to conclude our adventure for today. It's been fabulous, a bit of a challenge, got to admit that, but definitely worth it. And we'd like you to subscribe, share, and like our video, and we'll see you on our next adventure. Bye.
See ya.